Hey, today we're gonna go over how to draw a Spider-Man Christmas ornament. Hopefully, it'll be easy, and I know it's gonna be easy. It'll be simple, and it'll be for beginners. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you will absolutely be able to draw this. It's probably one of the easiest things you've done in your life. And that's it. It's only 8 minutes. Let us get started. All right, on this Spider-Man Christmas ornament. Don't forget, it's only about, like I said, 8 minutes, so stay till the very end. Super, super short. So that means below 10 minutes, you'll be able to draw this Spider-Man Christmas ornament. Let's go over here. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to curve here along the eye. What I want you to do also, I forgot about this, is hit the subscribe. If you like learning how to draw in under 10 minutes, like every character you can think about, like Godzilla, Spider-Man, Pokemon, Fortnite, Legos, even anything I put on this channel, like anything. Absolutely hit the subscribe if you like all that stuff, and click the bell notification. It's going to let you know when I post, and that is it. You'll just see a little thing on your feed, really non-invasive. There's no losing out, basically. It's like, cool. But yeah, also, oh man, what did I do? Got what is this? Got some junk in my hand. All right, ready? I'm going to do that. Over here on this side. And there's going to be a scooping underneath one of the eyes. So right here, scoop up. Almost like a teardrop. Scoop up. All right. Now let's do what I think most people consider the hardest part, is the actual circle of the ornament. And you can do it in chunks. So here's an easy way to make an ornament, a circle. You mark it, like I'll put a dot right there. I know, maybe I want it this distance away from that eye. And I kind of trace it in my mind's eye first, and then I mark it over here. Tracing in my mind's eye. I mark it over there. Trace it like you're doing your very own connect the dots, right? And that lets you know that you have, like what area you want to clear, and it truly preps you, right here. It truly preps you to start making those curves when you're like practicing in your mind's eye, and you just dot them out. So like I did that. Let's start out over here. Curve right there. Go over here on this side. Curve right here. I wish I could move that dot, honestly, but oh well. Like here, so. And like again in my mind's eye. There we go. So we have our bottom circle, right? I'm going to go over here and not right quite at the end. I'm going to put a line up. Line up. I'm going to go to the ornament part. I'm going to put a line across for the metal bearing part, right? Just like boom, 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 boom. Like that, real simple lines. Curve up, or not even curve, go straight up. And then completely straight across the top. And then line up. Right there, because it's hanging on a string. Okay? You can always mess with these as well. Right? You can mess with that line, do as you will, and it just gets a lot easier. It's a little bit pointier down here, I can tell. You can always kind of straighten that out a bit, but that's the cool part. You can always turn the paper. But anyways, let's get back into the Spider-Man design. Right here, I'm going to put a little explosion shape, almost like a firecracker went off in a cartoon. That's the way I see the center of his web. And I'm going to pull thinner radiating lines out. Right there, it needs one, so I'm going to throw one out here, even though I didn't have it there. Over here. Here. One over here. Let's go up. Everything is this radiating outward. It doesn't matter. You don't have to count them or anything like that. Don't forget to hit that like if you like the teaching here. If you like the videos. Line over here as well, so you have to add one as well. Okay, now let's start with the web. The kind of, well, actually, I'm sorry. Well, yeah, okay, let's do the web first. I'm gonna go right here, curve in, go over here, curve in, right here, and I'm gonna follow that in a circular manner, right? Where in my mind's eye it won't go there, right? Because the white of the eye is blocking it. But I'm gonna go down here, right here, and then I'm gonna also go outward again, And you can add one more if you want, but to be honest, that works right there. There is something else I want you to do though, is so with the eye, I would make the eye lines bolder than everything else. I would bold them out just a bit more here. The first stroke was mostly for placement. Right there. Go over here on this side. Like I said, normally I would turn this paper, but for the demonstration, I just don't want to turn the paper. I think it just looks weird when people turn the paper. I don't know. So right now I'm just doing it like this for demo. Oh, let me see. That top line should be a little thicker. There you go. Hold on. And I could also make the outside line thicker, but that works, honestly. This works as is. Who knows? I might give it a thicker line afterward. I'll give this at least the top a little bit thicker line. Let me go on with the color really quickly. And you can color with anything you want. I'm gonna use just a regular marker. It says a creative expert. They're pretty decent markers. I got them for a present from a friend of mine for I think my birthday. So I'll talk to you while I'm like just filling it. I'm just gonna fill it in flat. See, it doesn't rub through it. It might though if you use the other ones. If you use the Crayola marker, which is the one I use for the black, it's whenever it touches it, it seems to smear the black when it uses another Crayola. I don't know what is up with that. So I would definitely invest in, if you want to use marker more often, I would use like Prismacolor. Honestly, that's what I would really use. That's what normally what I use, but yeah, Prismacolor is awesome. I would definitely look more into that. Yeah. Anyways, I'm excited for Spider-Man. I'm excited for Christmas. It's a very Spidey Christmas, right, this year. So I'm excited. Hopefully you are as well about everything. All right, over here. Yeah, good stuff. And yeah, like I said, you're just doing it flat, right? Doesn't have to be super fancy or anything like that. Definitely, like I said, don't forget to hit that like. I want to thank you very much for watching this far. You are awesome. Nobody finishes YouTube videos in general on YouTube, so if you're listening to me right now, you are at the very end, and that is amazing. I'm gonna give. Let me see. I want to put some gray through this real quick, and that's it. All right, real quick. Is this gray? Yeah, well, gray right here for that holder. That's a Spider-Man Christmas ornament. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and that is it, okay? Share the video with a friend that you think might enjoy it. And also just share it on Twitter. Honestly, that would really help if you want to give back to the channel. The last thing is, don't forget, if you want to learn how to upgrade your art skill in general, you want to learn portraits, you want to learn how to draw the body, if you want to learn like anime, I have anime videos on there as well, go to my Skillshare in the description, okay? Skillshare is a totally other platform, and it is completely 100% free when you sign up through the link in the description. And then you can see every video you want. It's awesome. And there you go. I mean, they give you basically a month for free. And then after that, you have to pay. But what you could do is sign up, then just cancel that thing after a month. And then boom, you don't pay. You never paid a single thing to learn all this cool stuff. That's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.